So market recap for June 11th. The big engulfing bearish bar here today, but it's up 4 or 5 days in a row. So I guess we're just looking for a bit of a recovery. Just trying to read something here. Yeah, there was a so ended up down, not quite over yet, but down 0.1% on the SPY. The Nasdaq up 0.16. So same thing though, big reversal day for these things. They were up very strong, but you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 days straight up. You're bound to get a consolidation. This could be the start of the leg 3 of the next move up. Dow, same thing, big engulfing bar here. The charts are all exactly the same. Down 0.12%. Tranny's off 0.34%. Same thing, big engulfing bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. Fifth wave consolidation, hard to say. Our main ETFs, financials off close to a point. SMH up 0.37%. Breaking out through this declining tops line, but really not much of a trade there, or not much advance there. LABU down 3.17%. Continues to be in this bear flag here, this consolidation stage. I mean, if it breaks to the upside, that changes the story. But for now, this is looking bearish or neutral at best. IWM down 0.4%. And the USO, oil just off slightly, and gold stocks and the majors up 0.89%. Not much change there. It's bearish. Let's see, what else do we have? Apple up a couple of bucks. There was some news from Foxconn, who makes a lot of their product, that they're going to shift production out of China, which will help Apple get around a bunch of tariff problems that they have right now, because this is being made in their stuff is being made in China. So that it helped a bit. It's up $2. This is a 1, 2. Is this the start of wave 3? We'll see. There's a lot of work to do yet, as I keep saying. Let me see. Amazon up 680 today. It is broken out of this downtrending channel. These are all sort of neutral charts at the moment, though. Facebook is up to resistance and the declining lateral resistance and the declining tops line. So we'll see. Facebook, Google up 568. It's just in this declining top channel still, so it's looking, that's still bearish, that chart. Netflix holding support in this channel that it's forming. Netflix, Microsoft down 3/4 today, 3/4, 75 cents. Big reversal day for it though. But this has made all-time new highs, has come back, held support. Looks good. Microsoft, Intel, a bit of a pullback from that pop these last 3 days it had, now pulling back a bit. It's understandable. NVIDIA up to 68 today. Still in this big downtrending bear channel. And Intuitive Surgical down 234 today. These are all the NASDAQ majors. You know, it has popped out of that, but it's coming up to lateral resistance. There's a lot of, I mean, this could be a major dead cat bounce, right? Big drop like that, pop, and then rolls over. We'll see. It has to get through that level. The indicators, 39% of stocks above their 40-day moving average. The oscillator at 31, VIX at 16. So very neutral. Very neutral. Could go either way, the markets. They're not overbought. They're not oversold. On our watch list, everything pretty much down. You can see, especially this Beyond Meat down 40 and 3/8. CRISPR off $1. Everything else 78 on DQ. Iova down 84, 93 on the NBY. So even though markets may have been a little bit stronger today, really not much popping. It was more of a day to be short. $2 down on the PRVB, down 21, UPLD. These are all ones I had on watch list, down 3 1/4. So no real trades on any of these. The JAGX we talked about earlier, it was pretty tough to trade. I mean, it was so whippy, pop and drop faster than you can turn around. That was JAGX. CTR was the same. These were both 1 for 70 rollbacks. Had this big pop, halt, pop, halt, pop, pop, halt down. I mean, you just can't even I don't know how you trade these things. They're very difficult. You get caught on the wrong side. And then it just came down and traded sideways for the rest of the day, so not much there. I did trade Zyne successfully today. Bought it on the pullback and wrote it up into, what did I trade it out at? I sold my last bit at $13.94. So I pretty much top ticked the, high ticked the market on it by accident, just because I sell all the way up. So that ended up being a nice little deal for me there. Then I traded Vuzi as well, but it just never did anything. I made a few bucks. Where's the Vuzi? Is it on here? The Vuzi, I said over this level here at 58, 358. And it got up as high as 372 and then just traded around. I just made a few pennies on it. Didn't just it looked good. It looked like it was going to go, and some of the action was absolutely wild on it, but no, just never went. I don't know, that happens sometimes. Small win. 3 types of trades. Big win, small loss. So let's see, what else do we have? That's about it, I think. Short update. Just one of those days.